Hello guys, and this is Wrinkle Farts and Dinkle Farts, yeah, because I'm no person, I'm an alien. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to, no, I'm gonna show you a thing. Alright, what we're gonna do today is, I'm gonna make something, we're gonna make a mob volcano, remember that. And now we're gonna make it look like a penis. If you know what I mean. Let's make the big balls. Right there. Mm-hmm. Ooh. I turned on. Ooh, what am I saying? Alright. Gonna make these tall. Well, these are gonna be our main thing here. We don't want to make it too tall. You can make it as tall as you want, but make sure that the uh, test like see how strong the power will be. You know. Alright, so we're just gonna make this very quickly. Alright, we're almost done with the other ball. And I know you want this. Uh-huh. Eh. Alright. Well, you know what? Screw this. We're just gonna make the design later. So, what you wanna do is, go to the third block. Oops. Don't destroy those blocks. That was unintended. So, this is the first block, second block, and then the third block. Then you destroy the third block. Then, up there, right there, you insert a block. Alright, I think we should make this a bit taller now. Alright, now that we've made it taller, we select a mob. I say wolves. Yes, I said it, guys. Wolves. Wolves, anybody? Wolves. Well, you know what? You could just put them here. But they're getting hurt. But don't worry, they're gonna die soon enough. You can put as many as you want, but make sure that you don't just break your game or crash it. Okay, we're starting to get a little bit of lag. Gonna turn down the graphics. Right. Because these guys are the highlights of the thing. Okay, so we're having a bit of trouble here. Okay, we're a bit laggy. Alright, now first off, before we start, I'm gonna show you some magic. Alright, what you wanna do is to punch this girl. There we go, they've been punched. And now, kaboosh. It's too laggy, that's why. Wait, hold on. I think it's the CPU. Okay, I'm gonna look away now. No, I think it is the CPU. There's too much mobs. See? Oh. Wait, let's try to make the best. The best launch or... Hey, that was the best. Alright. Now what you wanna do is to cover that hole up. And I'm gonna show you how this will work. Alright, so we're gonna put water on top. Then, yeah. Alright, come on. Stop lagging. Okay, place that there. And over there. Come on. Why won't you not work? There we go. Then see the magic happen. And now they're mad at me for no reason whatsoever. Hey guys. So we are off to kill them because it's making me lag a bit now. Goodbye doggies. I'll forever miss you in my heart. Come on, get those flint and steels. Uh-oh. Damn it. Come on, flint and steel. Flint and steel. There we go. There, exit it, exit. And goodbye. And it's too laggy. It's too laggy, I can't even tell. What is happening right now? If that thing would explode. I hope it would. Yep. Is it? There we go. We killed them all. With 2 shots. The lag is gone now and we're free. Alright, we could make it a bit taller, I say. Yes, I say. What do you mean by a bit taller? I mean, the tallest you could ever make of it. It would be one heck of a view. So, let's just turn up the graphics a bit because it doesn't really matter. It's the CPU that's gonna get strained. Alright. Alright, this will be the final make or the build, stuff. I think it's tall enough. What if it tames those dogs? Is this even... Oh, it is very tall. But who cares? That's enough. Alright, so that is enough. What should we do, guys? Silverfish, zombie, spider, slime, skeleton, chicken, creeper, mushroom, wolf, sheep, pig. Let's go with the creeper. Alright, so we put this all. Okay, I keep on hitting them for no certain reason. I hope I don't kill you guys. Am I? Nope. Although, come on. Is it enough? No, that's not yet enough. Come on, babes. Come on. I can hear a lot of cracking. But don't worry, they're just creepers. Nobody likes creepers. Seriously, children scream when they see one. Well, because they're children. What if we mix... Whoa. Wait, I got an idea. Nah, that was a little bit. I think we should try for longer animals. So, okay, let's mix in a bit of... whatchamacalls that? A bit of, creeper, wolf, sheep, pig, cow, chicken, silverfish. Here we go, villager. Villager will die. Please don't explode. Okay. So I think this is enough. No, we need to add more. Alright, I think this is enough. Alright guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And there it comes, sprouting, 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 sprouting. And like that lonely creeper. Oh, they all died. Get off of there, creeper. Can't you see me want to explode? So guys, there you go. I've taught you how to make a volcanic eruption out of mobs. You could probably do better because was like a better CPU or something, so that you could add more mobs. I mean, more mobs equals longer explosions or eruptions and bigger eruptions because there's gonna be a lot of them. So, right, that's it for our time, guys. I'll see you in the next video.